In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall WordPress in Hostinger's Hpanel. Whether you're looking to start fresh or simply need to clean up your hosting environment, removing an existing WordPress installation is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in. Be sure to use the credentials associated with your Hostinger account. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the home page of Hpanel, which serves as your main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Websites tab. It's your go-to section for managing your active sites. Click on Websites to open a list of all the domains and websites linked to your account. Here, you'll see the WordPress site that you wish to uninstall. Once you're on the Websites page, look toward the right side of the screen. You'll notice a small icon represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon functions as a menu button for additional options for each of your listed websites. Click on these 3 dots next to the website you intend to delete. A drop-down will appear, revealing more options to manage your site. Among these, you will see the Delete option. As you might expect, clicking Delete will initiate the uninstallation process. But before you do, it's crucial to understand that this step will permanently remove your WordPress installation, along with all its associated files and databases. If you haven't taken the opportunity to back up your important data, now's the time to do so to prevent any irreversible loss. Once you're sure that deleting the site is the right step, go ahead and click Delete. The system will usually ask for a confirmation, since this action can't be undone. After confirming your choice, Hostinger will begin uninstalling WordPress and purging all related files from your hosting account. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully uninstalled WordPress from Hostinger using Hpanel. This process can free up valuable hosting space and reduce any clutter from sites you no longer need. Just remember, if you wanted to keep any specific data from this installation, back it up before hitting delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support for more detailed help.